Hi again, everyone. I'm going to continue with this series. Right now, the new sound is ah. To make the sound ah, keep your lips 5/8 of an inch apart from and form a half smile with tense lips. Some examples: back, cat, tap, bag, pad, cab, glad, ring. More examples: pack the bags, have a snack, Jack. Pat's cat is fat. Her play jacket has black snaps. So in comparison with the sound E from Unit 4 and A, feed, fat, seed, sat, seed, sad, leap, lap, heed, had, he's, has, heat, hat, need, nat. More examples in sentences. Please feed the cats and needs a black cat. Matt has a shack near the sea. She believes that Pete has had a nap. More comparison with the sound E from Unit 8 and A from this one. Bag, bag, head, had, met, mat, pet, pad, wreck, rack, set, sat, said, sad, pledge, played. Thank you so much.